In today's video, we are going to share 7 easy breakfast recipes that can be made in just 5 minutes or less. So let's get started. 1. Yogurt parfait. Yogurt parfaits are an excellent make-ahead breakfast option. They are not only delicious, but also high in protein and calcium. In addition, they are very versatile and can be customized with your favorite fruits, nuts, and sweeteners. To make this recipe, start by layering yogurt, granola, and fruit in a glass or bowl. You can use any type of yogurt, but we recommend using a plain yogurt, so you can add your own sweetness. If you want, you can also use Greek yogurt for an extra protein boost. For the granola, we suggest using a store-bought variety or making your own by simply tossing oats, nuts, and seeds with oil and salt and baking them in the oven until golden brown. As for the fruit, anything goes. Fresh berries, sliced bananas, or peaches are great options. But you can also use dried fruit like cranberries or chopped dates. Once you have all your ingredients ready, start layering them in a glass or bowl. Start with a layer of yogurt, then top it with granola and fruit. Repeat these layers until you reach the top and finish with a dollop of yogurt. You can add more granola and fruit on top if you want. To make ahead, simply assemble the parfait in an individual serving container and refrigerate overnight. In the morning, grab it and enjoy. You can also make a big batch of parfait and store it in an airtight container for up to 5 days. 2. Scrambled tofu. This recipe is perfect for those looking for a vegan breakfast option that is packed with protein and flavor. Scrambled tofu is a delicious alternative to scrambled eggs that can be made in just a few minutes. To make this recipe, press the tofu to remove excess water, crumble it into a bowl, and add your favorite seasonings. You can use turmeric, cumin, paprika, and nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor. Then heat the oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the crumbled tofu and cook until lightly browned. Stir frequently to prevent sticking. The cooking time will vary depending on your stove and pan, but generally takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Serve immediately and enjoy. 3. Sweet potato toast. Sweet potato toast is a sweet and savory breakfast option that is perfect for those looking to add more vegetables to their diet. It is also gluten-free and can be made in just a few minutes. To make this recipe, slice a sweet potato lengthwise into thin pieces using a mandolin slicer or sharp knife. Toast the sweet potato slices on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes or until tender. While the sweet potato toasts, prepare the toppings. You can use avocado, cream cheese, nut butter, or ricotta cheese. You can also add sliced tomato, bacon, or smoked salmon for extra flavor. Once the sweet potato is done, remove it from the oven and top it with your favorite toppings. You can also drizzle some hot honey on top for a sweet and spicy kick. Serve immediately and enjoy. 4. Breakfast quesadilla. A breakfast quesadilla is a quick and easy breakfast option that is perfect for those on the go. It is also very versatile and can be customized with your favorite fillings. To make this recipe, lay a tortilla on a flat surface and spread refried beans on top. Add shredded cheese, salsa, tomatoes, and onions. You can also add cooked bacon, sausage, or veggies for extra protein and flavor. Roll up the tortilla and place it in a preheated oven. Cook for 10 to 15 minutes or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Cut the quesadilla into wedges and serve immediately. 5. Chia seed pudding. Chia seed pudding is a delicious and nutritious breakfast option that is perfect for those looking for a healthy alternative to traditional cereals. It is high in fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids and can be made in just a few minutes. To make this recipe, combine chia seeds, milk, and sweetener in a bowl. Let the mixture sit for 5 minutes or until the chia seeds have absorbed most of the liquid and thicken slightly. You can add vanilla extract or almond extract for added flavor. Pour the mixture into a glass jar or bowl and refrigerate overnight. In the morning, top with your favorite toppings such as fresh berries, sliced banana, or chopped nuts. Enjoy. No. 6. Smoothie bowl. Smoothie bowls are a delicious and nutritious breakfast option that are packed with fruits, vegetables, and superfoods. They are perfect for those looking for a quick and easy meal that is high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. To make this recipe, blend frozen bananas, berries, and spinach with almond milk or any milk of your choice until smooth. Pour the mixture into a bowl and top with your favorite toppings. You can use chopped nuts, seeds, granola, or fruit. For extra protein, you can also add Greek yogurt or protein powder. Get creative and enjoy. Number 7. Avocado toast. Avocado toast has become a popular breakfast option in recent years, and for good reason. It is a delicious and nutritious meal that is packed with healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins. Plus, it is very easy to make. To make this recipe, toast a slice of bread to your liking. While the bread is toasting, mash an avocado in a bowl with a fork until smooth. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Spread the mashed avocado on the toast and enjoy. You can add other toppings like sliced tomato, red onion, or feta cheese. If you're looking for a more filling breakfast, you can also top your avocado toast with a fried egg or bacon. And that's it. We have shared 7 easy breakfast recipes that can be made in just 5 minutes or less. These recipes are perfect for those who are looking for quick and easy breakfast options that are also delicious and nutritious. Give them a try and let us know which one is your favorite. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content. Until next time, happy cooking and bon appetit!